Welcome back to our channel. Thank you for your support. Want to know how you can make the man of your dream fall for you without laying one finger on him? Use these powerful tips on how to seduce a man with words. Actions speak louder than words. But is it really true? Can words have the power to make a man go wild with desire? How to seduce a man with words is the question on every woman's mind. And when it comes to the art of seduction, words appear to play a very important role. The tone of your voice and your word choice can make him melt like butter in front of an open fire. So if you want that special man to fall for you, head over heels, without laying one single finger on him, here's how you make him obsessed with you. Here are 5 tips on how to seduce a man with words. 1. Make him feel wanted and appreciated. This is easily one of the best ways to seduce him because what man doesn't want to feel like the most important person in the world? When you say something to make him feel special, he'll appreciate it and be more likely to do the same for you. So instead of focusing on what's wrong with him, emphasize all his best traits. Say something nice about his personality or appearance each time you see him. He will soon begin to associate only positive feelings when he spends time with you. 2. Talk to him with a sweet tone of voice. When you talk to him, make sure that your voice is soft and gentle. This will make him feel special and loved. It will also make him feel like you are someone he can trust. When a man trusts you, he's on the way to getting closer to you. 3. Use flirtatious language. You can use your body language, word choice, and tone of your voice to confess your interest in him. If you want to make a man charmed by you, be sure to use flirtatious language when talking to him. This is a great way to seduce a man without putting too much pressure on him or yourself. If he doesn't return your feelings, you can back down and continue to have fun while no one has to feel uncomfortable and awkward. 4. Take an interest in his job, hobbies, and ambitions. Everyone loves to talk about themselves. It makes them feel appreciated and important. When you show any interest in what a man does, it will make him happy because he'll feel like you actually care about his life. Talking about his career or ambitions can open up the door for future conversations, giving you more opportunities to flirt with him and make him smile. 5. Tap into his hero instinct. A man's instinct is to protect and provide for a woman. He wants to be the hero who saves you from danger or makes you happy by doing something incredible. Even though he might not do it in a literal sense, every guy wants to feel important and valued by a woman. Reveal your femininity by asking him for help, like moving something heavy in your house or fixing that light bulb above your head. Just make sure he doesn't see this as too much work. If he thinks you're using him, he won't be so willing to play along. Instead of just asking for help, tell him how impressed you are by his strength and abilities. If he knows nothing about fixing things around the house, compliment his body instead. Mention how nice his arms look while they're holding the tool and how attractive he is in general. You'll see effects almost instantly once you can correctly trigger his instinct. As soon as a man feels like your hero, he'll become more loving and interested in having a long-term relationship with you. This instinct is a deep-seated desire that makes men want to be around those who make them feel heroic. And when a man is in a romantic relationship, this desire amplifies. Some ideas can really change your life. As for romantic relationships, I think knowing this hero instinct alone is enough to turn a casual relationship into something more meaningful. If you want to learn more about it, I recommend you click the link in the comment below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more love advice videos. Have a nice day.